How to disable Snapchat ads. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to disable your Snapchats or not. So now let's get started. So Snapchat does not let you completely turn off the ads, but here's how you can see fewer ads and make them more relevant to you. First, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application. So in order to reduce the ads on Snapchat, first log into your account and make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date. Go ahead and turn off the personalized ads. For that, tap on the Bitmoji or the profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then after, tap on the settings icon in the top right. From the settings page, scroll all the way down and tap on ads, that is under privacy control between customized emojis and data saver. Now tap on Add Preferences. Simply turn off the personalized ads or change your interest. After that, you can also try clearing the Snapchat's cache. On the settings page, scroll all the way down to Clear Cache option, which is under Account Actions. Tap on that, then tap on Continue. And also don't forget to connect other accounts. And also do not connect other accounts. Avoid linking your Facebook, Instagram, or other accounts to limit targeted ads, and use Snapchat less often. The more you use Snapchat, the more ads you'll see. Using it less might decrease the number of targeted ads. And keep in mind that Snapchat needs ads to keep the ad free, so you can't get rid of them entirely. So ad blockers from other companies usually won't work with the Snapchat app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.